Welcome back to Pro Pronouncer, the channel where we make pronunciation a breeze. Today, we've got a quick one for you. Hamas. Let's dive in. Let's break it down and keep it simple. The word Hamas has two syllables, ha and mas. First, ha, and then mas. Now, let's put it together. Ha, mas. Now, what is Hamas? It's a Sunni Islamist organization. But when it comes to pronunciation, just remember Hamas. In a nutshell, Hamas is Hamas. Keep practicing, and you've got it. Thank you for tuning in to Pro Pronouncer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. If you have any words you'd like us to simplify, leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned and keep those pronunciations spot on